Hello and welcome to PharmaWise. In this video, we are going to discuss how to prepare solutions of different molarities. So, what is molarity? It is a method of expressing concentration. And how it is defined? Molarity is defined as number of moles of that substance dissolved in given volume of solution, and that volume is generally expressed in liters. So number of moles of substance dissolved in given volume of solution gives you the value of molarity, which is the concentration of that particular solution. Now let's take an example. Suppose I have to prepare 1000 ml 1 molar solution of sodium hydroxide. Then how I am going to do it? For this, I need to find out the number of grams or the weight of NaOH to be dissolved in this particular volume so that this molarity is achieved. So how I am going to do it? For that, I am going to give you a very simple formula which will help you decide the amount of substance to be dissolved in the volume for any condition or for any kind of calculation. So let's discuss it. For that, I am going to modify this formula. Molarity is equal to, now what is number of moles? So number of moles are usually calculated by the formula weight of substance, whatever you are considering, divided by its molecular weight, right? And this weight upon molecular weight gives you the number of moles. And of course in denominator there is volume of solution in liter, which I will keep as it is. So instead of number of moles, I have taken weight upon molecular weight upon volume of solution in liters. Now if I use this formula, it becomes very easy to calculate the amount of substance required for achieving that particular molarity. Let's say in this case, molarity, it is given, I have to prepare 1 molar concentration, and volume is also given, it is 1000 ml, but always remember we have to quote the volume in liters. So what I will do, I don't know the weight of substance required, so it is to be found out. Molecular weight of NaOH, I know it is 40 grams, and volume in liter, now 1000 ml gives me 1 liter of solution. So if I solve this 1 into 40 into 1, it comes 40 grams, and that is the weight I need to weigh 40 grams of NaOH and dissolve it in water to make 1 liter of solution in order to make 1 molar concentration. Now this formula is actually very helpful. You can calculate any kind of concentration with this. Let's take an example. Suppose I have to calculate 500 ml of 0.2 molar NaOH solution I need to prepare. See, how will you prepare 0.2 molar NaOH solution, and volume has to be 500 ml. You know this formula and it becomes so easy. Let's put the values in the formula. Molarity is equal to weight upon molecular weight into volume in liter. So what I need to find out is obviously the weight of NaOH needed in order to make 0.2 molar solution, and the given volume is 500 ml, which if I convert to liter, it is 0.5 liter, and molecular weight of NaOH I already know it is 40. So if I solve it, weight is 0.2 into 40 into 0.5. Now 40 into 0.5 comes 20, and 20 into 0.2 comes 20 into 0.2 comes 44 grams. So 4 grams of NaOH need to be weighed accurately and dissolved in 500 ml in order to prepare 0.2 molar concentration. So this is how you are going to easily find out the weight of substance required to prepare that particular molarity. So remember this formula. For number of moles, we are just replacing it with weight upon molecular weight, and you are sorted. You can calculate any molarity with this equation. I hope it helps. We are going to discuss similar problems for normality calculations in the next video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, share this video with your friends, and let's meet in the next video with the normality calculations. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.